What's up, a mob? Hashtag mob in the comments. It's your girl Dance, and I'm back with another vlog. Back at it. It's so peaceful and quiet.
You know where up here is? Wow. In the States. You in the States? Yeah.
So. Sheila, say hi to my vlog.
Hey. Oh my god.
Morning. So we going McDonald's to get something to eat. And then we go in the mall. And this is why I gone. I see the pencil, but I never see the strap. And my zipper one step. I look pretty too until wait until this here start to go haywire. And then here. But yeah.
Oh, you want to go Legoland?
I put a sign to hold on my arm here.
Legoland!
Oh, it got Legoland!
Legoland!
You want to go Legoland?
Yes.
It's in. Let me take my charger.
Huh? We're going wrong?
Paige, is that you? Oh my god! So we leaving the house now.
No, other children at the party.
Paige, hey! So I gonna soon take this off. Soon. Look at the playground. There's a playground there, and then there's the pool where we gonna go later. Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, you smell good, bye.
Yeah.
Huh? He's sexy. Where? Chipotle. Oh, okay. So we at McDonald's now.
Alright, take up the clock.
Can I open this?
Did you know that eat something?
Yo, hey.
You don't eat? You done? So we just went we just finished eat. We went McDonald's to eat, and this pants chafing me. And we going Family Dollar. And me and she going, if we find handcuffs here, we're going to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. And this is not going to last because she just eat me out. She's annoying. And I need to take this thing off my head. Period.
Yeah, no.
Hold on, let me take it off. Put it in my bag. Oh, it have these things in Puerto Rico, but look, it have these things in Puerto Rico. So we buy Family Dollar. Yeah. Hurry, you can't close a bag. Watch it. Good afternoon. Good morning. Sorry. Ooh, we live like right here, so we could come back and buy stuff. Wow. What you want? An ice cream card? Then better to buy them in the mall. Thing I know, gift cards.
Starbucks, Amazon,
I don't need no Amazon.
Netflix. People don't want Netflix.
Girl, I put game cards. I want game cards. Yeah. So we gonna look for handcuffs. What is we looking for? It? Huh? Let me see if we find someone who worked here. Should I? I think. Girl, I tell you when we come back, we look. Look, guys, so we get the handcuffs. And we both straight about to do the handcuff challenge. Mommy. Mommy. Boom. Bingo.
Right.
We going to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Sheila, say hi to my vlog. Where you going, girl? I done show Dad long time, but I don't really want hoops. Oh, look that for Nash. So, you already know. Oh my gosh.
I should have never show you that.
This is for my baby cousin.
That I pick it up.
Yo, shut up. You put it down. And I bought this because me and this dumb girl doing the 24-hour challenge. You can't no give me that. Okay, so guys, we're going to do the handcuff challenge, but Nikwana couldn't get hers on, right? And now I can't get mine off. This is a disaster. If you squeeze that tighter. So the Dollar Tree, this thing, obviously, $3 of my money, you know, and it's still no money back. Wait, just say. Yeah, it's wheelchair people like I don't really.
Take up this.
The worst thing the bus could do is have on one for it, cause this girl. My hair already sticking up. I can't. I have to stop vlogging people.
Nice though.
See, I was driving in a car. Yeah, that last. Good morning.
I know she had good morning. Oh yeah, the hotel good.
I forget. Okay, so we in the mall now officially, and I just come to look for yeah, this is why I want like stuff like that, yeah. Like thanks. Yeah, the price? Look, the prices up here. $12.99 and stuff. Let's go. So I gonna buy the gift cards and I'm gonna do the giveaway. Here's me. Mommy and me. Right. I got bottles. Well, not a bottle. But yeah. Mommy, you ready? Oh, I cold. Sephora. That's like, look, it got like track stuff. I want a jacket, but I gonna wait till I reach in Rainbow. So we my mother. Oh my god, I going in a crack store because like period. I need a pair of Crocs. I know, cause it's real deal. Oh my god, look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh, this Ginny. This is Ginny. Look, this is Ginny. And then you put your name on the Crocs. But I want a pair of Crocs though. Like, look, this is the stuff they put on the Crocs. Like the clips, yeah. I put my football number in a football on my Crocs. Symptoms of kill Crocs. Hi, I'm fine, thank you. Oh, look, this guy pretty. Are you Crocs pretty? But I don't know, but I gonna get Crocs. $40. Look, they got sale $40, so I gonna get Crocs. Are you? Nikwanya gonna get her ear pierced today, and unfortunately I can't get mine pierced. That's sad, but yeah. We going by my mother them by Auntie Annie's, so I'm gonna get her that. A hot dog and cheese. If you ain't never had this, have this. You need to have this. Look how much LOL stuff we have here. What my sister boy? What's your boy? Let me see, baby. What you boy? What's that? That's LOL slime? Okay. Record it. I am buying you something. I'm gonna buy you something. Baby Sha? I want to take Easter photos. I want to take an Easter picture. Tonight I look Caesar. This would have been for I would have bought one for Zara if she didn't die.
This is for Caesar.
Caesar smile like this for real. No, I'm recording my mother.
I cannot.
Okay. Buy it. It feel like this one. Feel it. Oh my. Oh, this is big Foot Locker or something? No, ain't Foot Locker, but it's just a shoe store. Wait, I want to buy a phone, huh? This is so much sweet.
This is the best
Dude, I want one of this gummy bears.
You come back here. I don't want to go last night.
So, like, we didn't even buy nothing yet for real. I want to go buy Dick's. This photo show. I could tell you how tired it is right now. Why I was looking crusty on my edges though. But not from tomorrow though, because I'm gonna take my time to iron my hair, period. My pants feel like it's too small. My pants feel too small, like I can't get pull up because I got nails. Oh shoot, where we going? Yeah, that like for football and stuff. Oh sorry. Girl, why you don't eat too fat now for them things? I like that yellow one. That look like Demia. That ugly. But that yellow thing that look like Demia.
That's what it is.
Well, go ahead, I dare you. Oh shit, somebody. I want to come in.
When he come back, no.
Domino. Shoot right there. Shoot?
Yeah.
I dare you to push that door right there.
I got a dog!
Nicole, you have to do it. You have to. You have to. Else you want next there? Huh? You want the next one? Wait. Don't talk to me because I give you a deal and you didn't do it. You doing it? What, are you afraid?
Yeah, I'm afraid I get kicked out.
You afraid to get kicked out?
He's cute. Charging what?
Or charging something. So I buy a face mask and this is legit. This have a charger in it. It's a charger. So I have to buy it with all cars. Yeah. Look, you got gum bears. I'm still going hard now. What you want? Look Legos. Think about it. It's cheap. Wait. Wait. Come look at that one. The frog. Is it enough? Yeah. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Wait, look, I want some of these. Come, Nick. That's it. Wait, I tell you I want these. I got all the shop.
You don't have to color in the lines though. I like to color outside the lines sometimes. So if you would like it to sing Moana or Frozen or Trolls, you just touch. It shows you the $4 to $8 price like that. But you would want to pick this out first before we stuff if you're going to do the voice because it goes inside and we stuff it. So free smell. So we can make it smell like rainbows because she's Rainbow Dash or strawberries.
You like this one, baby?
I don't like that one, baby. That's
But it's what she likes, not
Okay, so what you want your dolly to say?
what you wanted to say. You want to put your voice in it?
You can put your own voice, right?
You want to put your voice?
Yeah, you gonna say it?
Every time I go to Puerto Rico, you got panties.
Different voice.
You excited?
Yeah.
Who got one of these?
Me.
Hey.
All right. So you guys ready for your heart? Okay, gonna rub them. You like it? You want to smell?
But yeah, I got in Baton by the Works, and I think my money got really done in here because Baton by the Works just, oh my gosh. I need a candle. Smell it. How it smell?
This one don't smell good. Like, it smells good either.
Yes.
What is that?
Shoot out there. No, what shoot out there? Shoot out there. You go and shoot out there, you ain't get taken. She don't want to do it. Are you? I never in my life see these. Look, Cardi B rap snacks. I didn't know that. Look. Are you? We lost, but don't tell nobody. we lost. No, but we lost for real. Like, real talk, my mother. Ain't nowhere around here. We tell she, right, we go in the game shop because we bought the game card, the giveaway cards and stuff, right? And she gonna leave us. Hold on, let me see if I can fit you here. Oops. I can fit you here, buddy. Yeah. Oh shoot, can I turn on something? Wait. Can I turn on a light? Hold on. I turn on some light. Oh, in there. Oh yeah. That virtual thing was actually scary. Man, that heck was scary, dude. Let's take that out. Huh? Oh, I think someone calling you.
I can't have water.
I can just remember just something down. This shot says it, period. Good vibes or goodbye, period. We just buy one of them.
And everybody.